What is cryptocurrency? How does it work? How crypto changing the world? Let us simplify for you. So impressive. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, blockchain Ripple, or almost over 6,000 crypto coins. You've also probably heard about the cryptocurrency craze. Either a family member, friend, neighbor, doctor, Uber driver, salesman, barista, or a passerby on the street has probably told you how he or she becoming quick rich with virtual currencies. But oh God, what does it all even mean? Why is it becoming so important? What are my investments in it? What is the dark side of it, and what are the fun facts of it? You can find out all this and many other very interesting answers in today's video. No crazy technical masala here. Very simple, very straight. In short, this video will take you from a crypto newcomer to a crypto genius introduction. Hi, champions. You watching Funding Move. And here you'll find videos about geopolitics, world affairs, and economies, especially how to earn money online or offline. We have been working in the financial industry for more than a decade, teaching people about Forex, stock market, crypto, and now NFT. If you want to know more about us, then there is a video link mentioned in the description. You can check it out. All right. Cryptocurrency is typically decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. Cryptocurrencies do not exist as a stack of notes or coins. Instead, they live only on the internet. Consider them virtual tokens, the value of which is decided by market forces created by those seeking to buy or sell them. You may say then, what is the difference between your credit or debit card and crypto? Both you can use over the internet. But no, there is a huge difference between crypto transactions and your credit debit card transactions. Crypto makes it possible to transfer value or money online without the need for a middleman like a bank or payment processor. But credit or debit cards always need a middleman for transactions to carry out, which means a third party or a middleman or a bank has all details and information of you and your transactions. On the other hand, when paying with cryptocurrency, you don't need to provide unnecessary personal information to the merchant. This means your financial information is protected from being shared with third parties like banks, payment services, advertisers, and credit rating agencies. And because no sensitive information needs to be sent over the internet, there is very little risk of your financial information being compromised or your identity being stolen. Because banks are controlled by governments or any private authority, while crypto is not controlled by anyone and is decentralized. So now you may think, if a bank or government isn't involved, how is crypto secure? Almost all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, all are secured using a technology called a blockchain, which is constantly checked and verified by a huge amount of computing power. Most importantly, cryptocurrencies allow individuals to take complete control over their assets without providing a lot of personal information. Now, what is blockchain? A cryptocurrency blockchain is similar to a bank's balance sheet or a checkbook. Imagine a book where you write down everything you spend money on each day, says Buchi Okoro, CEO and co-founder of the African cryptocurrency exchange Quidax. Each page is similar to a block, and the entire book, a group of pages, is a blockchain. With a blockchain, everyone who uses a cryptocurrency has a copy of this book to create a unified transaction record. The software logs each new transaction as it happens at the same time, and every copy of the blockchain is updated with the new information, keeping all records identical and accurate instead of multiple banks keeping their separate records. With crypto, there is just one enormous spreadsheet of every transaction of each currency, and this sheet is called the ledger. Probably you understanding until now, but here comes the question of why everyone going crypto crazy. Well, there are some different advantages to a currency system like this one. It's decentralized, which means not in control of governments or banks or any other middleman. It only takes a few minutes to send any amount of money. Regardless of the amount or the destination, moving to another part of the world through your bank can be extremely expensive. When this is done in Bitcoins, the cost is negligible or non-existent. The right to make payments is the most significant benefit that crypto investors gain from participating in the trading market. They can send and receive Bitcoin or any crypto payments at any time, from anywhere, and with no restrictions. Not just that people also buy or invest in cryptos for potentially high returns, same as people invest in property or gold or stocks, etc., but with more safety and security without revealing their personal information, which can be helpful to prevent any hacker to breach your data and sell it on the dark web for a few dollars. Cryptocurrency payments are becoming more widely used amongst large organizations and in sectors including fashion and pharmaceuticals. But there is also a dark side to it. Crypto prices are extremely volatile, rising and falling at a rapid rate. The value of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoins, can change significantly, so some people don't feel it is safe to turn real money into Bitcoins. Let's say if a glowing article comes out, then price bullish, and then when Elon Musk tweet, that puts it bearish, and you go way down than even you expected. And this rule can go in both ways. But still, there are so many companies' websites who already started accepting crypto as payment for their services. Like now you can donate to Wikipedia and book holidays or open a trading account in a brokerage firm and so on. One of the most significant drawbacks of investing in crypto is the lack of regulations, therefore any business transactions cannot be protected by the government. So make sure when you're dealing in crypto with any company, that company must be regulated and well trusted. This way you can lower the risk of any scam or fraud. It is also possible to lose your virtual wallet or delete your currency. There have also been thefts from websites that let you store your cryptocurrency remotely. And then they just steal and vanish. So the best way to store your currency is a hard drive, and then just don't lose it. Cryptocurrency exchanges are vulnerable to cyber attacks, which could lead to an irreparable loss of your investment. Again, save it in hardware. And again, because there is no real police force regulation on crypto right now, it's like the perfect currency for criminals. But to be honest, I think so. The data speak for itself according to chain analysis. 0.34% of crypto transactions are criminal. Up to 5 normal cash transactions criminal, and I think that's because it's a bit like that misconception that currencies like Bitcoin are anonymous. However, I think it is false. What that means is, although your actual details are not visible to everyone, your public key, your unique identifier ID, will permanently remain in the blockchain on making transactions with it, which logically means cash is just a better currency for most types of criminal activity because by its very nature, it's untraceable. Don't ask me how I know that. But don't forget, according to CNBC, 83% of millionaires have the bulk of their wealth in cryptocurrencies, and more than 100,000 people became millionaires just from Bitcoin, but there could be much more numbers than this. If I'll find out, I'll let you know. Here is my portfolio detail. Do not take it as financial advice in any way. I have invested 30% in Bitcoin, 30% in Cardano, 0.15% in Ether, and 25% in Dodge. In the next video, I might also show you my portfolio. And this is going like a roller coaster for the last few months, and taking my blood pressure as well with it accordingly. Haha, just kidding. I am pretty confident in my investments, but I believe high volatility is the main reason most people not taking it seriously yet. But there is not only one way, which is an investment to earn money in this new industry, but also you can earn by mining. Now, what is mining, mate? Cryptocurrency mining is the process by which recent transactions are checked and new blocks are added to the blockchain. Miners select pending transactions from the pool and check that the sender has enough funds to complete the transaction. The second verification confirms that the sender has authorized the transfer of funds using his private key. Mining is one of the possible earnings of cryptocurrency. The miner gets a good reward for creating each new block. It's theoretically possible for the average person to mine cryptocurrency. It's increasingly difficult to create your coin like Bitcoin. But nowadays, mining requires a lot of investment. In addition, over time, the complexity of mining increases, so you need to constantly upgrade the available capacity as the crypto network keeps growing. Miners require huge amounts of energy to mine. It's estimated that 0.21% of all of the world's electricity goes to powering Bitcoin farms. That's roughly the same amount of power Switzerland uses in a year. It's estimated most Bitcoin miners end up using 60% to 80% of what they earn from mining to cover electricity costs. Should you invest in cryptocurrency? Do experts hold mixed opinions about investing in cryptocurrency? Well, some financial advisors don't recommend people invest at all. And some say you can invest in a portfolio you're willing to lose if the investment goes south. In the meantime, we cannot miss the point that so many people became millionaires through crypto and so many lost their everything. So I would say that learn before you earn. Therefore, I am creating a free crypto stock market Forex course. Just write me in comment, yes, I want, and I'll share it with you as it all be completed. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.